printing at 2.85. Back to TD in BOS mode. Everything in BOS mode. Now, if you guys want to win a free prize, could be a Raspberry Pi, could be whatever you guys get me to make something out of these parts here. I got just about anything to make any project you guys can put your mind to. And I'll even soup up the project. So, if you guys pick a project and I make it, post it in the comments of any video, a new project. I got the Raspberry Pis, got the Picos, I got the ESPs, I got the Nanos, I got the 3D printer boards, I got the other boards, I got everything. I got Raspberry Pis, to Wi-Fi pineapples, to USB rubber duckies, to about 30 of these stepper motors, and stepper drivers, LEDs, computers, more stuff upon more stuff, upon more stuff, upon more stuff, upon more stuff. So, leave a description and a comment. I want to make something cool. Could be something to do with hacking. It could just be something to do with a life hack to make your life easier. Easy hack out. And keep on printing. Keep it real, guys. Keep the maker community going. Ask